Yo, welcome back guys, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a dark grunge CRT effect. So it's up my clip here. I'm gonna bring in a new adjustment layer, and towards the end, about right here, cut down the adjustment layer to our video clip. So the first effect I'm gonna add is posterize time. So it's about right here, drag it in. Oh, I forgot to I forgot to select an adjustment layer. Put our frame rate to 18. Next, I'm gonna add signal. I'm gonna put the emulating at VHS long play. Go to Luma modulation. Go down here and turn off tape errors. Next, I'm gonna add is tint. Once after adding tint, I'm gonna add is deep glow. I'm gonna put the radius at 285 and put it at 0.50. Yeah, that is all the effects you'll need in order to create a dark grunge CRT effect. And before clicking off this video, I just want to say to those who stuck around, if you learned something new, I recommend subscribing or leaving a like or just commenting and sticking around, since I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week consistently. So yeah guys, that is all I have for you today. Have a great day.